Custom workflows are a great tool to configure Cetec ERP to the way your current business operations are run. There are two stages to this process, with the first stage being creating the actual workflow steps, and the second stage being customizing who can be assigned what, in what stage. First, click Admin. Click Maintenance. Click Data Maintenance. Scroll and click Workflow Stage. Note, if you are changing your workflows post going live in Cetec ERP and remove the current workflows for the particular object, these workflow stages on existing quotes, orders, etc. will be orphaned. Please keep the existing workflows in your data maintenance until either all of the objects with the previous workflows are closed out, or all of them are moved to a newly created workflow stage manually. For this example, we will create new Ordline workflows. Click Add Record. Type in the name of the workflow stage. Add a description. Select Ordline as the object type. In the Order Num column, specify the order that the steps will appear on the object specified in the Object Type column. If this is the first stage in the workflow, check the Initial Stage checkbox. Click Submit. Repeat this process until you get to the last workflow stage, where you will then check the Close State checkbox. Next, you will want to set what users can be assigned what, in what stage. Navigate to Admin. Click Maintenance. Click Workflow Maintenance. Click Edit for the specific object type. Selected users will show as assignment options for the workflow stage. Hold Ctrl to select multiple users. You can also select roles to accomplish this. Users with the selected roles will show as assignment options for the workflow stage. When you have completed this for all stages, click Submit. That's it, you're done.